check what. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and I'm again back with another video. Today I am in this little kitchen, and that's because I am going to be making lunch. It's almost time for lunch, so I haven't eaten all day, so I decided, you know what, let me make something nice and let me show you guys how I do it. And hopefully you guys try it out and enjoy. To all the foods out there, this is for you. Okay, let's get to it. First things first, I am going to I'm gonna use the white pita bread to make, I don't know what it's called, but it's the pita bread, and then I'm gonna fill it in. I'm gonna make a filler, I'm gonna make some chicken to fill inside the bread. So maybe we'll get a name for it. I'm not sure yet. I'll decide, and then if there's no name for it, I'll create a name for it. Yeah, I think I should do that. Right. Basically, I'm gonna be using this just one to make the chicken, and then this one I'm gonna use to warm up the bread a little bit. So yeah, let's get to it, but let me just get the ingredients first. So okay, I hope bonaya. So I'm gonna use my oil. I'm gonna need the oil. What else do I need? I need the aromatic favorite because we don't use salt in this house. I think I'm gonna use some rajang. I think I wanna use the Portuguese chicken spice. Where is it? Here it is. Yeah, and that's all I'm gonna need for the chicken. And let's get the chicken. So I'm gonna be using these chicken breasts. They're from Woolies. I don't know if that matters. Right, send it up. Let me just put those on this side. This chicken breast with that. I think I'm gonna make it nice. So I think I'm gonna take some onion and some green pepper. I think I have baby plum tomatoes. Okay, we have green pepper. We have some tomatoes. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but for this, it's because whenever I eat tomatoes, I get like heartburn. But I'm hoping this time, no, not really. Cause yeah, I don't know why, but I'm hoping not really. And if I do get it, then I'll drink some water or get something to drink. Onion. Found my onions. Okay, let's turn on our stove. This chopping board. I'll have to chop on this side. Okay, rinse that. I'm gonna need my knife. I got a very sharp knife. I love this knife. Okay, so I've put to almost maximum because I want this to be a quick thing. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna put a little bit of some cooking oil. That's yeah, I think that's enough. Right, we have that, and then while okay, let me chop this first quickly before I do the chicken. Okay, I'm just gonna lower it because I'm still busy with the veggies. Is onion a veg? But they are veggies. Yeah. I'm gonna wash, and then we wanna start chopping. The way I'm so hungry, I need this to be as quick as possible. Okay, we're chopping some onions. I don't like tasting or feeling the onion when I'm eating, so hence why I chopped it, like I diced it to the smallest pieces and not like have it in big slices. Okay, that's heating up, and then I'm done chopping. Here's our onion and green pepper. Then I'm gonna put it in the right. We're gonna rinse our chopping board and a knife. So what should I do for the chicken? Because I'm gonna chop this chicken breast into. I'm gonna dice them up. I'm gonna take this chicken breast and cut. I'm not making that because this is just for myself. And I'm gonna chop it into small pieces. But this is small, right? Should I not? But if I like it, I'm gonna finish more. Yeah, it's fine. But I want it. Okay, that's our chicken. Let me put this back here. It was burning, so I had to. I'm just gonna put that. Oh, yeah. It's too small. I'm gonna add the other one as well. The last one. That's why I didn't want to cook it all. Because tomorrow. And my onions are burnt, but I'm getting there. Okay. I'm gonna put some raja, mild raja. It's medium, no, it's medium. Should I put a lot? And then let's go in with this Portuguese chicken spice from King's. Lovely. Okay. Look at the sound coming out now. I wanna close it a bit so that like it cooks well and not just burn. So I wanna close it. I was saying this is the quickest meaty meal I've ever prepared. Hey, English. Yeah. Just to make sure that it's not burning. Because we don't want it to burn, just want it to be. I think in the meantime I should heat the bread. I like to put these tomatoes because this is almost done. The chicken is almost done, so I'm gonna put the tomatoes on top there so that maybe they cook for like 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes, like less than. Shoot. Okay, it's like that. So I taste it twice. Then I put like four baby plant tomatoes. You don't have to do this part. Okay, not like you're going to do this. I was just showing you guys, but I didn't have to cook these tomatoes, but I'm just doing it because I think it's gonna taste much nicer. And then one other thing that I sometimes do when I do these, I add I do add some lettuce. So it's either I'm gonna add it here and dish it up together, or I'm gonna put the lettuce in the bread first and then I'm gonna fill it with the chicken, right? But now I think the lettuce is finished, but I'll check if it's there. I'll add it on top, but I think. Okay, let's put the bread. Chicken is done. I think I should just use this. Okay, this is just to heat it up a bit, and then
I did not realize I switched the stove off from the wall.
And then I cut it into halves. Is over. Right, let's just fill it up. Okay, let me put. I wanna use the sauce as well, so I want it to be ready. I take my burger sauce. The kitchen creamy burger sauce. Yeah. Right, so our chicken, should I say shawarma? Is it a shawarma? Prego chicken. Yeah, our chicken is done. Chicken prego is done. That's it. So I'm gonna enjoy it. I think I'm gonna make a drink. I don't know what I'm drinking, but at least there's food. Not me biting myself. This is so good.
A happy dance for the food, a happy dance for the food, a happy dance for the food, a happy dance for the food.
What am I drinking? I think we had Stony. Let me check if we still have. It's finished, but at least I can drink this. So I'm gonna enjoy that. Of course, we drink with our wine glasses. Anything from our wine glasses. Let me go enjoy my brunch. Um, if you have reached this stage of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. And yes, we are at 2.4 thousand subscribers. I'm just like, I'm still trying to digest it. Like I was still trying to digest the 1,000 subscribers, and now we at 2,000. Man, I really appreciate you guys. Please do watch till the end. Um, yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys try this out and enjoy. Bye.